Welcome to another Awkward Kids video, another rating video, and in this video, we will be rating drinks instead of foods, or snacks.
And also, they have this 0-calorie mystery flavor soda. And I guess we'll try to, I mean, we kind of had to do this one.
Kinda did. Alright, so,
I've actually heard that, this is actually, like when you pour it out, it's, completely dark.
I've had it before.
Oh, you have?
Yeah. Alright, so, which, Coke first?
Yep.
Alright. This one's for last, definitely.
Yes.
We have to save this one for last.
Yes.
Alright, so this one is Coca-Cola. If you don't know about it, it's soda.
You're living under a rock if you have no idea what this is.
Just a little bit.
Also, if you've never had Gatorade, you've probably lived under a rock. Unless you've had Powerade. It feels basically the same thing.
I hate when people say that.
I don't really like Coca-Cola.
Well, we're about to test it. Alright. Yeah, do all of it so we can have room for other ones. Did I put a lot? I'm sorry. I tried to put a sip. God, it's hard to... How much is in there? Okay.
Yeah.
Don't be dramatic now.
Standard. Feels like normal, soda. I would say,
He did say it was gonna be flat. So
yeah. I would probably
Can't
have to
stop
take off some points. So 5.
5?
Yes. Because it was flat, if it was normal, then probably 8.
7.5. I like Coke.
I don't really like Coke that much. My ears. Hey, why don't we?
Alright, let's do it.
No.
Aww. Boo! Boo! Boo!
Yeah.
Wait, where's some water
Boo.
to wash it down? The taste down. While he does that, I'll get the ginger ale.
You tasting without me, sir?
No. Okay, so have you ever had ginger ale before?
Yes. Doesn't it taste like Sprite?
No, not really.
Nah. This entire thing was just straight up cold.
That's what's so funny about
The carbonation.
carbonate. I did not put that much. I know that. You get to put a lot.
Buy the Coke because it's not flat. So 8.
8.
Yeah. It's
Ouch.
like Sprite. How many calories?
I'd say about a 5, but because it really, really helps with stomach aches I know that from experience, I'd bump it up to 7.
Okay. So per serving, it's 140, and how many servings they have in one
This one is 140.
thing is 6. Therefore, it's 84.
This one is
Quick math.
per serving 140, as much as all of this.
Same thing.
No, it's no, this whole thing is 140, one serving for this. Yeah, the whole.
No.
Oh, okay.
It's per serving.
All right. So
Okay. gonna try Gatorade. Classic sports drink. Probably my number one sports drink. Honestly. Number one.
I hate when people compare Powerade to Gatorade. They're not the same. They are not the same. The taste is different.
Okay. We need to know this, okay?
Comment if it's better. Comment if it's
Gatorade
better. Comment
is the
if they're
same
different.
thing as Powerade.
No, you need to comment your opinions, please. And don't be mean. Don't be mean about
The audacity! The audacity!
Do you open it?
Oh.
I'm too weak. Man struck. That's not enough. Thank you. Want to go first? You want me to go first?
I mean,
in some of the videos, I'll just be carrying around a red Gatorade bottle the entire video.
it is fruit punch, so tastes like fruit punch.
People hate on this. They say it's tasteless. They hate on this.
Wait, what?
People hate on this.
It's good.
I know.
Which one do you think is
But-
better, Gatorade or Powerade?
Gatorade is the OG.
Chill, bro.
All right, what do you rate it?
Man down.
He's been doing this all day.
Okay, so it's better than this. So 8.5.
8.5.
Yes.
Oh.
Heard me correctly.
9. 9. It is a 9.
8.5 rounds up to 9.
9.5. Rounds up to 10. Whoa.
Now we have confirmed that Ira might not be so good on the inside. Mama is really addicted. Okay,
Time for the one you've all been waiting for.
the 0-calorie mystery flavored soda, naturally flavored.
I feel like the 0 calorie
Contains no juice.
might knock it off. And all that healthy stuff, I want to be healthy, but healthy stuff tastes so bad sometimes.
The problem. Wait, is it sugar free or caffeine free?
That means they're all fans of caffeine free. Pretty sure. Or all the ones I've had. At least.
Zero sugar. That might mess up my stomach. If you know anything about 0 sugar things, they the things that are inside of it will actually like mess up your stomach.
Dude, don't listen to him. He's trying to be scary. You don't listen to this guy.
No, it's like not bad though.
It has no sugar. How is it?
Okay, since this is canned, let's be smart. I don't know why.
He does this every time he comes over. Every time. Nothing exploded. It was that one thing of Sprite that exploded just because it was badly taken care of. Alright, just pour me a little bit, alright? Okay.
Woo! Bro, I swear this thing like takes up like 90% of light.
My guy is not dramatic whatsoever.
It smells amazing.
I think it's random. The flavors like mixed up, different flavors because like last time I had it, like the flavors not taste like the flavors. Like you know, you have a banana.
Don't judge.
It's a waste. What do you rate it?
I've never had this before. 10. 10. It reminds me of a blue raspberry flavor to me.
4.
4?
4. I mean, I don't hate it. I mean, there's ones that have been so gross. I did this already. So, thank y'all for watching very much. And I
And
hope
finally, for once, in all of our YouTube channels, we've drank something besides water.
and Gatorade
Yeah.
for me. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next vid. Have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.